Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to report any video in TikTok apps. So for that it's a very simple process. Just click on video, just click on the home button, and if you found any video is not good for you and if you want to report that, so for reporting any video just click on the share button, and here you can find multiple options. So just click on report button and you will find an interface like this. So you can select the relevant option for that video that you want to report. So select any reason that you are think that the video is showing the hate and harassment and suicide and harmful and misinformation and anything. If you found that video is not good for you, so just select. If you don't found any video that I'm selecting the other option and just click on submit. So that's how you can report any video on TikTok. So this is a very simple process. So if you found this video very helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.